Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So before going to the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon and do follow us on the Instagram page. So here I am yet again with another new plant which is called pumila ficus, or also commonly known as creeping fig. So it is one plant, it is a creeping fig plant. So I recently bought this from a local nursery which is from Narayanguda, Hyderabad. So I thought let me just repot this plant and tell you what is all about this plant. So I have selected a pot which gives this support. So if you can see the picture over towards the left side, so it was just like that. The plant needs support, so that is the only reason that I have selected a pot which can easily have the space to for the plant, as well as the wooden block as well for the support. So this is one of the good or wild plant, you can say, so which we can easily found on the wild roadside, or it is also called it is a roadside. So it mostly used for decoration purposes. So if you've seen this plant, normally we will see this variety of plants in any of the resorts or something, like in countryside houses or something, like to just they this plant to just decorate the entire plain wall, because it is the plant that just if this plant gets support, this it will just start creeping on that plant, on that support as well. So that is the reason that this plant will mostly use for decorating purposes, so just like houses and all. So and that is the reason here also I'm giving this wooden block for the support to just this plant to grow nicely. So I've seen this in one of the nursery here in Hyderabad, so I thought let me just have one in my collection as well. So I bought this plant and it is very easy and low maintained plant. It doesn't require any attention. As I said, it is a wild plant, it doesn't require any attention. So it is good and it is nice, it looks nice, and you could even have as normally as a collection, or you could even gift people with this plant as well, because it's not an indoor plant, but it is an outdoor or semi shaded plant, you could say. So it wants much water as well. So through the water, with the support, this plant grows. It is a fast growing plant which you can see here. So I'm adjusting all the sand. So if you see the soil over here, the soil is very well drained soil, because here I have used only 50% of soil, 50% of garden soil, 25% of coco peat, and 25% of normal sand, construction sand. So it will maintain that well drained soil. This plant doesn't want this plant want water, but it doesn't want soggy soil. So that is the reason the soil should be well drained, and this is how it's supposed to be. So as I said, it doesn't require any attention, so you just need to pot them and put it aside in indirect sunlight, so that it will get some indirect sunlight and give a water alternatively when the soil gets dried. So as I said, like, we're supposed to check if the soil is completely dry or not by using our finger. Just need to put our finger into the soil. So if the soil sticks onto your finger, then it means the soil have some moist inside. If it is not sticking onto your finger, it means that the soil doesn't have any moisture. So that is when we were supposed to water the plant. So that is very much important to check the soil, to check the water level in the soil and then water the plant, because if at all we just normally water the plant, that plant might get more water than it requires. So then there will be a chances of root rot, or plant dying. So that is the reason we were supposed to be very careful while watering any plant. So this is how it looks. So hope you all like the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to channel.